Easy tourist visa application. Tips and tricks? Ugh, visas. My wife and I just went through the B1, B2 interview process last week. Total headache. It felt like an interrogation, not a friendly chat. Applying for a US visa? Prepare for paperwork galore. Expect tons of forms, detailed financial statements. We spent hours on this, honestly. The Schengen visa? Oy vey. That's a whole different beast. I've heard horror stories, lots of paperwork too, and proving your ties to home. My friend almost didn't get his because his bank balance was slightly low. My advice? Start early, be super organized, and triple check everything. That's my personal experience anyway. Which country's easiest? Honestly, no idea. Every country's process varies wildly. Depends on your nationality too. It's all a lottery, really. Good luck.
What is the easiest visitor visa to get? Okay, so easiest visa, I remember freaking out before my trip to Thailand, like years ago. 2024 maybe? I was stressing. Thailand? That's where it was. My bestie Sarah kept saying, chill, it's easy. And you know what? She was right. Visa on arrival. That was the magic phrase. I landed at Suvarnabhumi Airport, Bangkok, tired from the flight. Thought security was going to be a nightmare, eh? Not true. There was a separate line for visa on arrival. Filled out a form, slapped a passport photo on it. Paid the fee. I think it was around 2,000 baht, maybe less. IDK. Easy peasy. It took maybe an hour max, that's it, including the queue. I was so relieved. Phew. After that, Chang beer on Khao San Road, of course. That sticky mango rice was amazing. So yeah, Thailand visa on arrival. My personal pick for easiest visitor visa, though I never tried other visas. Important things to know about Thailand visa on arrival. Valid for 15 days if arriving by land, 30 days if by air. Don't overstay. Passport needs to be valid for at least 6 months. You need proof of onward travel, like a flight ticket. You'll need some cash for the visa fee, THB. Have a passport photo ready. They are picky.